These are exercises for chapter 1.2. I will answer numbers 1 to 5 partially from the exercises tab of chapter 1.2 in this website, and the remaining items is left for you to answer it on your own. So, for number 1, we need to plot all of the possible truth value combination of the variables p and q. So, in this case, after plotting, we are now ready to fill up the table. But I will only be filling up the first row just to show you how it's done. So, P and Q, since P is true and Q is also true, therefore, it will be true. Same as this one, P is true and Q is also true. So P or Q is true. And same goes with the others. Next item. Number 2. Identify the truth value of the two propositional variables below using the information provided. So, for number 1, since the statement for the variable p is false and the statement for the variable q is true, therefore, number 1 should be false, as the rule of conjunction is that it will only be true if all of the propositions are true. So, this is true. Next item. Number 3. Identify the bitwise OR and bitwise AND of the bit operation below. So, in this case, I will be only answering bitwise OR using this first bitwise operation. So, let 0 be false and 1 be true. For bitwise OR, which is a disjunction, this is done by having the first bit on the left side and first bit on the right side be pairs. Therefore, it is read as 0 or 1, since this is a disjunction. Same goes for the second bit up to the fifth bit. Then, you should come up with this answer. Next item, number 4. Identify the implications of the given statements below using the given information. For the first statement, this phrase represents the variable p. This is p. And this word then represents the implication symbol, and this second phrase represents q. So, therefore, this is read as p implies q, and this statement is an example of implication. So, for the second statement, the first phrase represents Q, and this word represents the implication symbol, and the second phrase represents P. Therefore, this second statement is read as Q implies P, and therefore this is an example of a converse. For the last item, identify the truth values of the given values of p of x. So for this question, you just simply need to plug in the x value on the given mathematical statement and determine if it is true or false. So for this number, the x value of this number is 9, and you need to plug in 9 into this x value. So this is read as 9 is greater than 18. Therefore it is false.